Hi everyone, I'm Mrs. Fletcher, and today I'm going to show you how to take your template that you already have laid out and fill in the letters to prepare to create your 3D letters using the isometric drawing technique. Let's get into it.
At this point, you should have a 6x8 box laid out for each letter of your name or phrase, as well as a label. If not, go back to the first video and do that. Now we're ready to put our letters inside the box. I'm going to start with the letter M for Mrs. I will highlight a 6x8 box around my letter M so I can see exactly how it will fit in the box I've already laid out. Finding the lower left corner, I count over to the next vertical line that I will need to draw in. Moving over to that laid out box, I will repeat this process because I'm copying this exactly as it appears on the original sheet. Then I count up the vertical line and draw in that identical vertical line. For my M, I have a diagonal, so I need to count over 1, down 3 for this particular diagonal line. Counting over 1 and down 3 on my sheet, and then connecting those dots will provide me with that diagonal line. This is an identical diagonal line or symmetrical diagonal line on the other side of the M, so I know that I will be able to repeat that process. Then from that corner, I can draw it down to the bottom of the box. I don't even have to count. For the lower lines of that M, all I have to do is darken in that box that's already there. The same goes for the vertical sides of the M. Just darken in or clean up the box line that's already there. And again for the top horizontal lines of the M. For that middle diagonal line, it's the same thing. I have to count down and over just like an X and Y on a graph. So I count down 3 over 1, find that point, and then connect the dots, just like plotting on a graph. Then repeat for that other symmetrical side. Once I have my M drawn and it matches the original sheet, I can erase that template of the 6x8 box that does not fit in with the letter M. I will also erase the M label because I won't need it for my finished nameplate. Now that I have the M complete, I will repeat this process for the R by highlighting R and then counting out all the lines and copying them over exactly as they appear. Once the R is done, again, I will erase all of the template lines and labels. And I repeat this process for each letter. Once you have every letter completely drawn inside the template boxes, you can go through and just clean everything up. Make sure all the templates have been completely erased, all of the labels are completely erased, and all of your corners are looking clean and crisp. Get rid of your eraser shavings, admire your work, and get ready to make your letters to look three-dimensional using that isometric technique.
Perfect. All of your letters are filled into the template is erased, and you are ready to make them appear three-dimensional using the isometric technique. I'll show you how to do that in my next video.